What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, H&S Pyro Fever. Subscribe, then like. So what we have here is that I know of, I'm not saying there isn't any more consumer strobe rockets, but these are all the strobe rockets that we found. We got one, which is Ghost Chaser. If you want to come over here, this would be number one, Ghost Chaser strobe rocket by Monkey Mania Fireworks. We're gonna see a competition who makes the best strobe rocket.
Vote in the comments down below.
Yes, sir, in the comments. Yes, whatever, Pyros. Great Grizzly strobe rocket. That's his Great Grizzly strobe rocket. Flash rocket by Flash. And then we got strobe rockets by Fox Fireworks. So what we're gonna do, guys, okay, so Ghost Chaser is number one. We got number two, number three, and number four. We're gonna light them one at a time and let you see them, and then we want you to vote, okay? Tell us which ones you think is better. All right, we got Ghost Chaser. This is gonna be our first one. Ghost Chaser, number one.
Ghost Chaser, number one.
Number two, strobe rocket.
Strobe rocket, number two.
By Great Grizzly.
By Great Grizzly.
Great Grizzly.
Oh shit.
Number three, by Flash rocket.
This one.
No.
I'm just gonna let them vote.
Pretty good. All right, here we go. We got strobe rockets by Fox Fireworks. Number four. Guys, we're gonna do it one more time for you since Great Grizzly had a poor performance. So we got Ghost Chaser, Great Grizzly, strobe rocket, we got the Flash rocket, and then we got the strobe rockets from Fox Fireworks. We're gonna do it one more time, and then we're gonna move to another segment. Number one, Ghost Chaser by
Monkey Mania.
Monkey Mania. All right, number two, strobe rocket by Great Grizzly.
Come on, Grizzly.
No.
No. There's something
Great
wrong with
Grizzly should
those.
not be making freaking shows. Great Grizzly shouldn't be making those. All right, let's go to the next one.
Yikes.
All right, don't shoot those. Those are bad. All right, number three, Flash Rockets by Flash Rockets. rockets by Fox Fireworks. It's time to vote. Number 1, Ghost Chaser, strobe rockets. Number 2, poorly performed Great Grizzly strobe rockets. You almost hit my truck twice. Flash rockets by Flash. And Fox Fireworks strobe rockets. So we got, sorry. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys pick. Like and subscribe. H&S Pyro Fever.